Hi guys, today we're gonna discuss quite an interesting question. Should you really care about reliability of a new car that you are going to buy? The thing is that there is a very small percentage of people who is buying a new car for 10 or more years. So practically almost all people are going to buy a car for 3 to 5 years and then resell it. What about general reliability of modern cars? They're quite okay. Almost all models can go up to 100-150,000 kilometers without any problems. Some of them up to 2 to 50,000. And of course, all car brands want you not to have any problems, at least in the warranty period. That really influences the customer satisfaction, and if you have some problems in the warranty period, probably you would prefer to buy another brand car next time. Are there any models on the market that can have quite serious technical problems during the warranty period? Yes, of course, there are some cars, but it is about 5% of the market. And usually it is connected with overpowered engines, like 2 liters engine with more than 300 horsepower. And of course, if you buy a car with sport car technologies, you should be ready for such issues. As for small issues with electronics or suspension, they can be in any car because of just manufacturer defects. So my idea is that you shouldn't care too much about reliability of a new car that you are going to buy. You can buy any car that you want. What really matters when you are going to buy a new car is petrol consumption, resale value, which is quite often connected with its reliability, but not always. And the third thing is the maintenance cost. And of course, I know a lot of stories of people who bought a new car and they had some serious technical problems with engines, with gearboxes and all that. However, I know that 90% of these cases is not a problem of the car. It is kind of a problem of the owner. There should be some problem with, for example, overheating, rare maintenance, or poor petrol quality. So please enjoy your cars, especially if you have an opportunity to buy a new one. Press the like button if you like this video and subscribe for more about cars and money.